Hello, welcome to World of Warcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder of the intermediate class on the 3rd of May at the Kenn Centre, where we did a double side-to-side cross-handed catamount, first move shoulder roll spin, and a first move ballroom turn. If you need a more detailed teach of those moves, then there are links in the description below. This is just to remind you of how everything joined together. So starting with that double side-to-side, we started left to right, went like this, went 7 and 8. We went back, in and out, slide through, right to left. We went in and out, in, prep the catamount, and went sweep, offer, unsweep, two hands for the first move shoulder roll, come in, opened up, and in and out. And then you got turn, spin, first move ballroom turn, in, a twist, and a turn, 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 twist, in, under and face, return and back. And that was the whole thing. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you find it useful. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to. If you have any comments, do leave them in the comment section below the description. And as always, thank you for watching World of Warcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.